Hello, I'm in a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee, and today I'm going to show you how to open your trunk door. So from the driver's side here, you should see a button here that will push. Also from your key, you should have a way to unlock as well. So now that that safety is released, right around the middle here, you'll feel a button that you can press as you lift. You may be lucky enough to have these hydraulics lift it and hold it up for you. But that's what the button looks like I was pushing right here. This is where that safety was that released. And it was hooked onto this. So make sure this isn't bent. Make sure the door's not out of alignment. That could cause issues. Maybe spray a little grease in here if you have to once you get it open. But that's it. And if you're having issues here, you might have to make sure your battery's fully charged and all the electrical's running properly into here. Again, yep, just like that. Again, check your key as well. If you're still having issues, you can pop these back covers out, and usually there's another way to release from the inside of the vehicle if you have to. But yeah, just to pop these little decorative covers off so you can see the inside mechanisms. That's it. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.